Hey everyone, welcome to Dit Dot. My name is Amanda, and today I'm basically just making a really big excuse to put Thai peanut butter dressing in my mouth. I love the flavor of that peanut butter dipping sauce that you have for spring rolls. And so I'm making a big salad and I'm gonna use that as my excuse to basically have spoonfuls of this peanut butter sauce enter my mouth. So let's get started. Today I'm basically just making a yummy salad. I have some green cabbage and some red cabbage, and I chopped up some bell pepper. I really wanted cucumber, but I'm out. And tomorrow is grocery day, so we're just making do with what we have. I've got some shredded carrots that I'm gonna put in here. This is a very beautiful, colorful salad. And just gonna add a little bit of romaine lettuce, this is romaine lettuce too. And last night I made some grilled chicken, and so I have some leftover chicken, so I'm gonna add that. But with the peanut butter sauce and the added peanuts, this salad has quite a bit of protein, so you don't really even need to add chicken if you don't want. It's getting pretty big. I'm making just one portion for myself today for lunch. I always try to work towards the bowl that I'm going for because I will expand my ingredients to whatever size bowl I have. So I've got some peanuts, gonna toss in a couple, and my little herb garden outside is doing pretty well. So these are a bunching onion that one of my friends gave me. So they're very thin leaves, whatever type of onion this is. Smells good, but you just kind of go out there and chop off the top of the leaves. And then I have some cilantro and some mint. I love adding herbs to any salad that I'm making because it just gives a punch of fresh flavor, and I add quite a bit. So again, this was what I had out in my herb garden, which was a type of green onion, some mint, and some cilantro. I've got basil out there too, which would be good, but I decided to leave that out today. Now, let's go ahead and chop up one of my chicken breasts. This is just cold. I'm gonna eat it cold from the refrigerator. And slice it up, put it on top so we can get to the main point of this salad, which is the peanut dressing. All right, again, I'm just making enough to dress this salad. So whatever your favorite brand of peanut butter is, put a good couple tablespoons down in a jar to be able to mix it. And I do all this just by taste. So I start off with my globs of peanut butter, and then I do the rest by taste. Now, I love a lot of garlic, so I've got 2 cloves of garlic and my handy microplaner. I love this thing. So I just crush the garlic. If you don't have a microplaner, you can use a garlic press, or you can just mince your garlic very finely with your knife. And I'm gonna do the same thing with my ginger. So I keep my ginger in the freezer, and I don't peel it or anything. Some people find that the peel is bitter. If you do, you can peel it before you put it in the freezer, but for me, it's just a waste of time. And on my microplaner, it just planes up very nice when it's frozen. It melts to room temperature super quick, and it's just the easiest way to keep ginger, and it will keep for months this way. So I don't know if I'm gonna add more, so I'm gonna keep this out yet. I'm actually getting low. I need to buy some more ginger. All right, some soy sauce. My husband says I say it funny, soy sauce. And a splash of rice wine vinegar, or whatever vinegar you like. That's kind of a mild type of vinegar. I'm gonna use some sriracha. So again, this is spicy, so go easy and add more as you like. And then I have some sugar on the side here because I'm going to decide if I want to add sugar or not. Sometimes your peanut butter brand that you pick is plenty sweet and you don't need to add any extra sweetener. And sometimes you will need more. And then I'm gonna drizzle in a little bit of avocado oil just to kind of smooth it out. You could also use olive oil. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. This is too thick for me for pouring on a salad. I'm gonna add some water in a minute. But first I'm gonna get my flavors right. Oh, that's really good. I love peanut sauce. Okay, it's very spicy. I'm gonna add a little bit more ginger. It's salty from the soy. I don't want any more sriracha. I don't think I need the sugar, so I'm not gonna put that in. I think I'm gonna add another splash of vinegar too. It's like it's almost perfect, but I want it to be absolutely perfect. And the vinegar will help thin it out also. So this is just the fun experiment part. You just kind of go back and forth with your flavors until you get it to a consistency and a taste you like. So this is a little bit thinner now. That's so good. Okay, trying to decide. I think I like it like that. So I'm just gonna add a splash of water because I want it to be a little bit thinner. So I just put like a teaspoon of water in this, and now it's like a pourable consistency. So let me clean this up and we'll pour and make magic. All right, again, here's our salad. And now I'm just going to drizzle some of this peanut dressing across the top. Yeah. It is a thicker dressing. I mean, I could thin it out more, but I don't really want it to be that thin. I want it to be nice and thick. And then there we go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit that like button. That lets the YouTube algorithm know that people are enjoying it, and it will show this video to other people to enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I invite you to do so. We have a lot of fun playing around and trying new things in this kitchen, so I would love to have you along for the adventures. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.